So it is the night before Christmas. It's the Vikings and the Packers next.
Hey, enjoy the stage. If you play it on national TV, everybody's watching.
You go out there and you fight for what we deserve. Out there right now, destiny, man. Let's go accept it. Let's go reach it. Fight together.
The Minnesota Vikings are looking to sweep the border battle for the first time since 2009 as Kings of the North.
It is a cold game. This is Case Keenum's coldest game he's ever played in.
So it is first and goal, Minnesota, from the 6-yard line.
I'm thinking this is going to be Latavius Murray territory.
On second and goal, Case play action, deep drop, fade to Diggs, back left to the end zone, and touchdown! Keenum to Stephon Diggs, and the Vikings lead 9-0.
What a beautiful throw by Case Keenum, Paul, because he ran the play action, and he never really set his feet and threw a backward fade volley. That was like a fadeaway jump three-point pass that he just threw. Very good execution as the Vikings are looking to go up 10-0.
Let's go! Don't throw no beer at me, I don't drink. Sorry. That's what you trying to talk about. I had to let you wait first. I'm sorry, bro. Hey, good shot. Yeah. Good shot. He threw a beer at me. Well, somebody understands. I'm like, damn, I don't even drink, baby. Sorry.
Brett Hundley is going to have to start beating him through the air. They are just not going to let the running game of the Green Bay Packers get going.
It's a read option play, emphasis on the word read, because Harrison Smith read it beautifully. It'll be a TFL.
Harrison Smith's having nothing of it. He's really showing his intelligence on the field.
Second down and 12 off the fake. Cobb makes the catch, and there you go.
He'll hand it to Williams, and Williams is encountered in the backfield by Terrence Newman.
Terrence Newman came off the edge just like he was shot out of a cannon.
And it's Cobb going in motion, swings it out to Cobb. Oh, and he gets buried in the 38-yard line.
And he's smashed by Mackenzie Alexander. A 7-yard TFL by Mackenzie Alexander, who is mugged by his teammates.
Feels like the Minnesota Vikings defense has been playing on the other side of the line of scrimmage so far in this one.
Paul, the Vikings are on the cusp of really breaking this game open. If you're a Packer fan, you're starting to scratch your head.
So far tonight, Harrison Smith has been a monster.
On 3rd and 4 from the Vikings 16, Brett Hundley takes a low snap. Looks over the middle, passes over the middle, intercepted by Harrison Smith at the 5-yard line for far side. 18-yard return by Harry the Hitman. He's the Hitman.
What a fantastic job. Harrison Smith just undercuts the throw, makes the catch, turns defense into offense.
Hey, you got to press. They know how we rock your hair. They know how we rock your hair.
Vikings trying to close in on that first shutout in 24 seasons.
Oh, this is it. This is the game right here, and I don't mean just wins and losses, but I'm saying keeping that goose egg on the scoreboard.
All right, 4th and 1 from the 43. Vikings rush 4. Hundley makes a throw to the left. Now he whips it out to the right, intercepted by Harrison Smith.
Harrison with his second pick tonight.
And that's what makes him the best safety in football right now. He is tremendous as a pass defender and maybe even better as a run defender up around the line of scrimmage. Disguises coverage, a very, very complete safety who's had an unbelievable year. Didn't make the Pro Bowl, may end up being one of the top candidates for Defensive Player of the Year.
Kings of the North. 2 out of the last 3 years, and they can exult tonight because their team is on their way to victory number 12.
The skull chant at Lambeau Field. Merry Christmas, Vikings fans.